420 Things Grow in Ontario. Coming back at you guys. I got another unboxing here. So, if you followed the last 2x4 grow, you know that I had the Meiju quantum board in there. Now I'm using it for a light for my setup. As you can see, the width is not very wide here, right? And that's what I found with the 2x4 tent. It didn't get right onto the outside edge. So this new light that I've got, gonna unbox here for you guys. As you can see, it is a little bit longer. So I think I'm gonna get better coverage in the 2x4 tent. So what I'm gonna do here is, so it's, you can order this. I'm gonna do is put the link in the description for both international, like United States stuff, and Canada. There's two different links. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll be able to see the price on eBay. And yeah, we can go for, you can take a peek at these and see if you like them and get them. So this was a sponsor to the channel. I got this at a reduced rate, and I'm going to be running a full grow with this. So, just so you guys know, we'll get to it eventually, or you've already seen it in the description. This is a Mars Hydro light. And here we go. This is what's in the box. So you got a warranty card, some instructions. This is the TSL2000 grow light. And there is, holy jeez, this cardboard is strong. Guess that's how they're protecting their unit. Alright, so here we go. Instructions, warranty card, keep that around. Comes with, you know, the old hangers. These are always handy. 2 ratchet hangers, some hooks, and a rope ratchet light hanger container. Alright, so there's 4 of those. We'll have to see how that's going to hang, and 2 hangers. So I had to put the camera on pause so we didn't get the full experience of the unboxing because my wife is not a very good camera person, and she started doing some weird stuff with the camera. So anyways, so I've opened this box, and the cardboard is extremely, it's super strong. But anyways, so getting back to what we need to do here, some assembly required, obviously. We'll have to check the instructions, but it comes with 2 drivers, 2 separate drivers for this light. Can you see this? Assuming you can. These are the drivers, and they have a little rubber seal here. Pull that out, and then you can do some adjustments on the lights. Probably won't be able to get to see down there, but there's a Phillips head, screw head there, and yeah. So anyways, so the 2 drivers are going to have to be mounted to there, and then these plugs plug into the light fixture here. So anyways, get back to the life. Just like a normal computer cable. Actually, it's not really normal. It's actually pretty hefty here. What do we got here? 6 and a bit feet of cord, which will plug into the drivers, and then into the light. So let's see what we got going on here. So let's pull out the light here, flip it up. Let's see what we got here. Sweet looking quantum boards here, eh? Pull off this on either side. And let's get a look at this. So this is definitely longer. It's going to cover more area than the quantum board that I currently have from Alibaba, and there is some different LEDs in here. So anyways, that's it. A little bit of wood in the box down below to get a little protection. So So, like I said, can you move that box off the table, please? It's heavy, eh? It's heavy. It's heavy, heavy, heavy. So, let's just... The Mars Hydro TSL2000. Oh, that's 2.2 micromoles per joule, eh? Yeah, okay. That's what it's calling for. Here's the information. And, yeah. These little hand... Okay. It's like the mounting of the drivers will be just a no tools required. I haven't looked at the instructions yet. Have to pull those off. Pull this sort of plastic. Wonder why this plastic's on there. Yes, maybe I should read the instructions. Attention, use this socket in good quality, ensure blah 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 blah. Okay. Doesn't really go much into the instructions, but it's pretty simple. You got 2 mounts. And yeah, so I'm going to put this on pause, get that hooked up, and get it plugged in and see what we're looking at. Well, I left the blue stuff on there. I don't know if I'm supposed to take it off. It doesn't say to take it off. I'm assuming I should take it off. But why would it be on there? Anyways, going to leave it on. I've attached the drivers on each end. I've brought the cable out that plugs in to the end here. So it's just like a, a little socket here. This goes into the end, plugs into each one on either side. And I didn't unravel this. I guess in theory you could put these drivers outside of the tent, but I'm assuming that these don't put off that lot of heat, and it'll be fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now put this on pause, plug this in, get it flipped over, and we can see the light together. Alright, so she's plugged in. It's kind of hard to see here. I don't know if you can see. It's fairly bright. But you can see that there's different colors LEDs here. It's not just all the one white like I had in the other one. So here's what the spectrum information says on the handout that comes with it. So I'm extremely excited to get this light in the tent because, like I said, I think we're going to get more coverage from end to end with this. So the other light I had was 240. This one runs 300. I haven't plugged it into my gauge yet. Actually, I'm going to go get that right now. I'm going to do that now. Hold on one second, guys. So right out of the box, plugged into the wall, it's drawing 292.1 watts. So a little bit more than the 240 than the previous light that I had in that tent. So it's going to be an interesting little comparison here. And yeah, so that's about it. So if you want to go check up the description, there's a link to the United States eBay and also the Canadian eBay. So take a peek there and check what these pricing are and shipping and stuff like that to your area. And don't forget to keep coming back. I'll get a playlist going for this one. I'll put the playlist in the end screen for this, and we're gonna do a full grow in the new hydroponic setup in the 2x4 tent. So be on the lookout for that, and also the 4x4 tent, which is coming on a separate playlist. Like, subscribe, do all that jazz, and may all your gardens be green.